It's Christmas time again, children laughing in the sun, balloon in hand, water gonna run. Mama cleaning yard, Papa paint the wall, whitewash tree trunk. It's joy for all. Sorrel in the pot, ginger make it strong. Rum so long, we've been waiting long. Barrel pon the wharf, call my cousin them quick. A joy in the air, feel the spirit thick. Oh, it's barrel time again, love in every lane. Family gather round, joy in every vein. Christmas breeze a blow, sweet like sugar cane in Jamaica. Christmas never feel the same. It's barrel time again, love in every lane. Family gather round, joy in every vein. Christmas breeze a blow, sweet like sugar cane in Jamaica. Christmas never feel the same. Downtown come alive,
light up every street.
new curtain in a window, looks so neat.
Children dress up bright, dance to the drum beat.
Brother John get a plate,
Everybody eat
season up the
chicken,
pork and the goat. Bless the table, lift up every note. Neighbors come together,
sharing what we own.
Christmas time in a yard.
Love full grown,
Hear the church bell ring, carol echo far.
joy to the world.
And the moon and star from the mountain top to the Caribbean Sea.
This love and unity,
Set with spirit free,
Lawrence Hammer
sweet like sugar cane.
in Jamaica.
Christmas bless again and again.
Lawrence time again.
Love in every lane,
Come and play loud on
joy we can't contain.
sorrel and the cake
Reggae sweet refrain
in Jamaica.
Christmas bless again and again.
Paint up the house, hang up the light, wrap up the gift, it's Christmas night. Thank the Father for life and friend. Jamaica, Christmas, love without end. Christmas come again. Christmas come again. I remember when I was just a child, watching lights sparkle, shining so bright, dreaming of Santa in the cool night breeze. But Mama said, child, it's God we please. We didn't have no fancy Christmas tree, so we cut a willow, that was fine for a week. Decorations shining, candles glow, Christmas spirit start to flow. Let Christmas come again in the Caribbean, reggae bells ringing through the land, family laughing, joy in the air, love and blessings everywhere. Christmas come again in the Caribbean, your gaze bring unto the May. Thank you Lord for another day. Christmas come again, Caribbean way. Home again, Caribbean way. Home again. Early November, countdown start. Wash the walls and sweep the yard. Neighbors calling, you ready yet? We cooking sorrel and gingerbread. Children dancing, balloons in the sky. Parrot music make the spirit high. Church bells ringing, voices strong. We sing the Savior song. Christmas come again in the Caribbean. Drums and laughter fill the land. Coconut breeze and the sweet sunshine. Peace and joy at Christmas time. From Santan Hills to Spanish Town, we dress in white, no frown around. Lift your hands and give God praise, for Jesus born on Christmas Day. Born on Christmas Day. Oh, the gate. Jamaican in the Caribbean, reggae bells ringing through the land. Thank you, Father, for this day. Guide our steps along the way. Christmas lights and candle flame, we'll never forget why He came. Love and peace we will proclaim. Christmas come again, Christmas come again, yeah, 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 yeah. Caribbean when Christmas come again, yeah, 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 yeah. Caribbean when Christmas come again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Caribbean when Christmas come again, yeah. Caribbean wind blows soft and kind, memories of Christmas in my mind from long ago till now. We say Merry Christmas in the island way.
Whoa, yeah. Grandma's Christmas barrel, a gift across the sea. Hurricane season come and gone, but praise be to God, we still there strong. The wind did roar, the rain did fall, but now we rise again. Jamaica stand tall. And look, yeah, Christmas soon come. Don't know off the big ship roll. Near Mark Clay to Grandma Westmoreland soul. She fix up her hair, she wear our best frock. Say me have to look good for the barrel we drop. Last year the storm dead they sing from the roof, but fear never shake, that's Jamaica proof. This year she smile, peace in the breeze. Barrel come down full of sweet memories. Grandma's Christmas barrel come cross the sea, full of love and family. After the storm we still a sing, thank God for life and every little thing. Grandma's Christmas barrel come to remind, distance can't mash up love divine. Tears and laughter mix same way, we survive to see another Christmas day. Inside the barrel tin milk bright, new shoes feature dress clean and white. Picture from foreign sweet yard inside. Say grandma me proud, me heart full of pride. She lift up a candle, whisper soft prayer. Thank you Father for keep we here. From London, Canada, all round the globe. Them send love wrapped in ribbon and hope. Hurricane gone, but love still stay. Barrel come down, we brighten we day. Yeah, yeah, them say barrel can't talk, but me swear me hear it say, family never fade away. Grandma open the box last one, find red ribbon with note from son. Me miss your mama, me soon come home. Me send this love so you not feel alone. She hold the letter, eyes full of grace. Set me live for this, another Christmas face. Neighbors gather, voices blend, sing silent night till the very end. Grandma's Christmas party, cross the blue sea, carry the love from family. We lose much, but we still there. Hope and faith in our every prayer. Grandma's Christmas party, come fi remind, distance can't mash up love divine. From hurricane tears to Christmas song, Jamaica rise, Winston's drumming. See them and tell you God good. Barrel reach, love reach, and Jamaica still stand. Merry Christmas, my people, we day another year. Yeah, 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 yeah. From Nazareth long, dusty, winding road. Mary pan donkey, Joseph guide the Lord. Census call out, everybody have to go home. So them reach Bethlehem when the night start roam. No room they in the inn, every door locked tight, but a little stable open under soft moonlight. Mary belly full, contraction start to rise, and hope light the place like star in the skies. Born in a Bethlehem night,
Yes, the holy child.
reggae breeze a blow soft.
Heavens reconciled. Glory shine bright like touch from blue mountain peak. Peace to the earth and joy to the meek. Born in Bethlehem night,
Messiah come to save,
love stronger than the storm.
deeper than the wave.
From Jamaica to the world we sing with might. Praise to the King born in a Bethlehem night.
Shepherds in the field, shepherd boy them day I watch them flock. Cool night breeze a blow, time steady like clock. Sudden bright light make them heart nearly leap. Angel voice echo across the valley deep. Fear not, me people, me bring good news. A savior born tonight, no time for lose. Wrap in cloth in a manger him lie. Peace for earth, glory high, high, high. Them run through the lane, find Mary and Joe. Stable smell of faith, but the love glow. Shepherd drop to them knees, tears in a them eye. Jah Messiah truly there tonight.
Born in a Bethlehem night. Yes, the holy child. Reggae breeze a blow soft. Heavens reconciled. Glory shine bright like touch from blue mountain peak. Peace to the earth and joy to the meek. Born in Bethlehem night,
Messiah come to save,
love stronger than the storm.
deeper than the wave.
From Jamaica to the world we sing with might. Praise to the King born in a Bethlehem night.
The wise men from the east see a star rise high, brighter than the lantern them hanging at the sky. Across desert sand them follow that beam, each step guided by prophecy dream. Gold, frankincense, mirror in them hand, gifts for a king who would heal the land. Them bow before the child in a humble space, royalty shining in the little boy face. But danger whisper through Herod's plan.
Jealous king want destroy the holy one man. Angel come in a dream, Joseph hurry and flee. Take Mary and the child escape to safety.
So them travel to Egypt till the storm pass by. Then come back to Nazareth under clear blue sky. Born in a Bethlehem night,
Yes, the holy child. Reggae breeze a blow soft. Heavens reconciled. Glory shine bright like touch from blue mountain peak. Peace to the earth and joy to the meek. Born in Bethlehem night,
Messiah come to save,
love stronger than the storm.
deeper than the wave.
From Jamaica to the world we sing with might. Praise to the King born in a Bethlehem night.
So every Christmas time we tell this story of humble birth wrapped in eternal glory. From island shores, let the message ignite. Love was born in a Bethlehem night. Shine bright in the night. Champagne corks fly, every table full up nice. But down the road, barely 10 miles away, mama boiling water, not a grain of rice. Children looking through the window glass, dreaming about a Christmas them never have. Belly full in some place, heart empty index. Yet we all a live under the same songs bless.
Christmas come but once a year, but the pain stay all year round. If your life blessed with joy and cheer, lift up someone who's falling down. Children's quiet heart empty, that can't be the Christmas story.
Share a little love, share a little bread, lift up a family with barely hold a head. Baby Jesus come to save we so make compassion be we goal. Show your brothers, show your sisters care, 'cause love was the gift he came to share. Party, big speakers a beat, while granny in a yard barely have food for eat. Some drink sorrel, some sip wine, some stand in food line waiting for a sign. Christmas tree tall like mountain peak, but joy shouldn't only reach the elite. For every child who cry themselves to sleep, there's somebody blessed who can sow a seed.
If the years treat you good, stretch out your hand as you should. Give a meal, speak a word so kind, be the peace somebody can't find. Belly full, heart empty, that can't be the Christmas story.
Share a little love, share a little love, lift up your neighbor in the darkest night. Baby Jesus came in humble birth to teach we love upon this earth. So find a family who's in distress, be the miracle in their loneliness. Be the light, be the light tonight. What a big feast mean if your neighbor's stomach lean. If God bless you more than you need, give from your heart, plant a righteous seed.
Remember you cared for you first, so quench another soul's deep thirst. Christmas spirit is more than show, it's the love we choose to grow. Children's quiet heart empty, no more that in a weak country.
Show them love, show them grace, put a warm smile upon a lonely face. Give a gift, share a plate, change one life before it's too late. This Christmas, let mercy lead, 'cause love is the greatest gift indeed. So when the big lights glow and the music play, remember someone praying for a better day. If God's love flow through you and me, no heart empty, every belly full of so Christmas for be. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the Christmas breeze a come, cool, cool pan the morning air. Sorrel simmer in the kitchen, ginger scent a rise everywhere. Pepper lights them start to twinkle, streets a glow with island pride. Reggae carols pan the corner, dancehall spirit nationwide. John Kanuma start beating, drum and whistle call the town. Ancestor memory in the dancing, freedom footsteps passing down. From Grand Market to the churchyard, every heartbeat find a place. It's a Caribbean celebration, full of rhythm, love and grace. Christmas in a Jamaica so sweet, Christmas in a Jamaica so sweet. With the Anglaise warm and the gungo pastry, family I hail you from house to house. Laughter a ring like breeze cross the south. Raise up the sorrel, raise up the cheer. Island Christmas, best time of the year. Oh, we are sing with spirit free. Jamaica Jamaica Christmas sweet melody. The big spruce up morning scrub and polish, fancy curtain them hang new. Children wipe down every corner, old spirit wash out life renew. Poinsettias bloom red like fire, tree them glow in every lane. Whitewash paint pan trunk and fence them, marking time for start again. Massa calling Sunday garments, steel pan blend with silent night. Reggae chords lift up the cara, Caribbean gospel shining bright. Back home smell of ackee frying, plantain crisp and breadfruit rolls. Table spread out for the family, time for bless what we love most. Christmas in a Jamaica so sweet, Christmas in a Jamaica so sweet. The fruit cake dark and the rum punch deep, friends are walking, neighbors are shout. Seasons greetings all round about, raise up the sorrel, raise up the cheer. Island Christmas, best time of the year. Oh, we are share with history. Jamaica Christmas, strong legacy. Christmas Eve a grand market, music turn up, bassline run. Children laugh and vendors calling, holiday joy long after sun. Midnight creep into the morning, church bells ring out soft and low. Then the feast start glowing early, love arise like mango flow. I'm with guava glaze a shimmer, clove scent drifting in the breeze. Curried goat beside the ox still, rice and gongo steady please. Fruit cake soaked in rum for months now, every slice a family tale. Tradition bind we like a heartbeat, this is love that never fail.
Across the islands near and far, black cake bake on the moon and star. Parents sweet in sweet Trinidad, beige and jug make people glad. But when Jamaica call it drum, a junk canoe spirit always come. Freedom dance from long ago, still I let the Christmas flow. Find
in a Jamaica so sweet, in a Jamaica so sweet. With the joy we walk on every street, family I travel far and wide, just to feel the island pride. Raise up the children, raise memory, we keep tradition strong and free. Oh, this Caribbean symphony, Island Christmas, eternity.
feel the Christmas breeze tonight, carry peace and warm delight. Island heartbeat, ancient drum, tell the world Jamaica Christmas come.
Christmas Eve, grand market glow, sound system bass running smooth and low. Girl, when our eyes touch across that crowd, time slowed down, though the music was loud.
You turned away shy, but your smile stayed bright. I stepped up gentle under the starlit night, asked for your name, your heartbeat spoke, a soft little whisper cut through the smoke.
I remember your voice, calm, warm, sincere. Something about your presence pulled me near. I hesitated, love, didn't know what to say, but your gentle tone washed my fears away.
We had no rap gifts, no diamonds, no gold, just a story beginning, waiting to unfold. Under Christmas lights, two hearts aligned, a tender spark in the Jamaican night.
Said no fancy things, but love was enough. Two souls finding each other in a world so rough. The grand market love, born on Christmas Eve, a moment so sweet, it's hard to believe. Christmas gives. Through time and seasons, stories unfold, but our Christmas Eve love will never grow cold. From that night on, girl, you changed my life, turned lonely days into sweet paradise. No matter the trials, we kept holding on. Every December reminds me love is strong. Your laughter, your touch, it still pulls me in, like the first soft melody on the rhythm skin. Growing old with you is my greatest pride. Still feel that spark you lit inside.
Look how far we've come, love, look at us now. Still dancing slow, though life changed somehow. Your love is steady like drums on the breeze. Your heart is my home, my sweetest peace. Every Christmas brings that memory back of you and me on that reggae track.
Grand Market lights, destiny in view. From that one shy moment I chose you.
And Christmas is a time to reflect and care. And every year I find you there.
In the rhythm of love, in the warmth we keep, in the vow we made that Christmas Eve. Grand Market love, born on Christmas Eve. A blessing so real, it's hard to believe. No gifts exchanged, but hearts intertwined. A lifetime built from
That sacred time.
as years go by. Though the nights get cold, our Christmas Eve love will never grow old. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whistles echo like Grand Market night. Jamaica this Christmas, we calling for unity. For every lane, every scheme uptown and downtown. Put down the wall, lift up the hand. Neighbor to neighbor, say my land. Light up a candle for them we miss. Promise the youth a safer Christmas. The vibe did sweet back in the days. Children are playing a yard with no fear, but now the tension rise like heavy rain. We need the peace, we come back again.
Tell Mary, tell Jane, tell Sue. Harmony sweet when the hearts stay true. If uptown link with downtown crew, imagine what Jamaica could really do. Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
Bus blank feel love, not gun, not pain.
Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
Lift up the nation again and again.
Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
Bus blank feel love, not gun, not pain.
Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
Lift up the nation again and again. No gunshot, just one love.
If we were ill, we have peace in the lane and uptown. What a paradise, no one would drown. No father, fi ball, no mother cry. Just unity rise up to the sky.
But when the fighting begin and body clash, memories fade like water in a wash. Then forget the days when peace did rain, when every little child could walk without pain.
Children and elders share one wish, one hope like star on the Christmas dish.
Give we peace, Lord, make the violence done, so every youth can live to see more sun.
Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
No more sorrow, no more strain.
Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
Lift it up, one Jamaica love must reign.
Peace on the lane, peace on the lane.
On the lane, no more sorrow, no more strain.
Peace on the lane.
Lift it up, one Jamaica love must reign. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. If we could only remember the message long told. Peace on earth, goodwill to all soul. Christmas remind we have hope and cheer, but peace should have last every day of the year.
When corruption a run and peace stop reign.
strong, we not go stray. If we unite like the stars align, we can make this island truly shine.
Love in the heart, peace in the land. Hope for the youth, them heal the pain.
Hold the faith, hold the line.
Wine Jamaica, this how we time. Peace on the land, peace on the land.
Spread the joy like tropical rain.
Peace on the land, peace on the land.
Uptown, downtown, love sustain.
Peace on the land, peace on the land.
This Christmas, none of we in vain.
Peace on the land, peace on the land.
Jamaica rise again, again, again. Christmas morning in the village, a little breeze blow through the yucky tree them. And Maestro, yes man, the whole district know him. Step out him yard with him cup, ready for walk the Christmas like him always do. Maestro wake up early, Christmas light in him eyes, humming low like church bell, walking out under the skies. Hot cocoa in him cup, from real cocoa seed him love. And every yard him stop by, show him kindness from above. Miss Tiny give him the first cup, Miss Blossom shove two more in a man. I saw the village stay, sharing, laughing, loving. That was Christmas. But today, Maestro have one mission left. Sister Lulu, and hear me good, Lulu wasn't the sharing type. He walked from yard to yard, Christmas joy in him stride, pot to pot, door to door, with the whole village by his side. Share your plate, share your heart, pass the blessings round again. Cause Christmas only sweeter when love reach every man and friend. Now when Lulu hear Maestro deep voice echoing down the road, she nearly fling down the whole pot. A Maestro that, not today. She grabbed the Christmas pudding, rich, sweet, heavy with spice, and shoved it under the bed like it was gold. Maestro knocked the door gentle. Sister Lulu, you alright? She answered weak and shaky. Me can't share food today, not tonight. But the pudding sent drift out, calling him soft and slow. Maestro sit down by the doorway, not moving till him know. Poor Lulu start sweat, not just from fear, but the diabetes take her, and she feel faint. She whisper, Maestro, me dizzy, me need something sweet. Maestro reach under the bed, pull out the pan, and cut a piece gentle like a son tending to his mother. He handed it to her, and for the first time in years, Lulu whispered, bless you, Maestro. But while she eating, recovering, breathing soft, quiet like a shadow, slide the rest of the pudding into his bag. Maestro walked through Christmas with belly full and heart clean. Every home he enter shine like village in a dream. Share your joy, share your food, let good vibes carry through. For when we share the Christmas love, the love come back to you. When Lulu feel better, she wave him goodbye, thinking life was sweet again. Hours later, she bent down to check the pan. And me say when she lift that cover, Sister Lulu scream till the fowl flutter. They hear the whole pudding gone. Maestro Maestro take every crumble, but the village laugh and say, if you had shared from the start, you wouldn't have lost so much in the end. Open heart, open door, that's the way we live. Blessing multiplying love when you choose forgive. Tight and loose the sweetest part, that's the truth we know. Christmas spirit shine more bright when kindness start to flow. He walked from lane to district with laughter in his stride. Christmas breeze inside his soul, village love as his guide. Share a plate, share a smile, let unity be true. For Christmas only flourish when love begins with you. So when Christmas come again, remember Maestro and Lulu. A story about sharing, a story about kindness, a story about what Christmas really means. Because in this life, a plate shared is a blessing returned, and a heart to open is a Christmas forever. You ever notice how Christmas Eve in a Jamaica different? Big square full of people, last minute shopping, sound system about, grill smoke rise up, and every little picnic I run down sorrel and toy. But this Christmas Eve, something happened, something we still talk about to this day. It was the eve of Christmas, everybody there bout Mass join at the corner with him foreign friends come out. Them fly down from England, Windrush generation pride. All of them dep on the corner reminisce about old time life. Sorrel in a cup, white rum in a flask. Mass just set a night off for the good old days with Mass. But as him sip and sip and sip again, so him start rock side to side like breeze a blow. Me no know how him get brave, but when Mass Joe balance the beer buckle pon him head, the whole crowd say, how way the man a try. Chicken must fly this Christmas night, laughter bust out underneath the street light. Mass just stumble belly full of rum vibe, and the jerk pan drop, chaos come alive. Fly chicken fly, in a merry eye. It's Christmas in a the square, pure comedy tonight. Baba they a jerk pan, seasoning nice and loud. Whole square smell the chicken, pulling the crowd. But Mass just spin trip, tumble like him slipping oil. Next thing braff, jerk pan go over on the side. Chicken leg fly, straight in a somebody mouth. One wing lick, merry phone and knock out the soul. Baba start bar, look on me. People a pick up chicken like treasure in the street. One lady ball out, it's Christmas, chicken a fi fly. And when Baba chased them, all him find was ones. Everybody else did done wipe them out long time. Chicken must fly this Christmas night. Jerking smoke turned to pure fist fight. Mass Joe stand up with him facing shame. Everybody know him wife can't hear this fly. Chicken fly. As somebody nyam your tie, as somebody nyam your tie. Only in Jamaica same way. His friends grab him quick before the whole thing leak. Them say, Joe, remember your wife, she not like embarrassment, not even a little bit. So them walking way fast before rumors spread fast. Baba still a ball and a clean up the mess. Jerk pan empty crowd full and blessed. Chicken must fly this Christmas night. Whole town laugh till them stomach tight. From Windrush stories to jerk pan woes, everybody know about the Christmas joy. Fly chicken fly till about the rich sky. And from that day come straight till now, Mass Joe never drink on Christmas Eve again. So if you ever pass through the square on Christmas Eve and you smell jerk chicken roasting in the breeze, just know Baba still guarding him pan like Fort Knox. And Mass Joe him stick to sorrow without the extra spirit. Merry Christmas, Jamaica, and watch out, 'cause chickens still flying every year. It's Christmas time again, but your chair is still empty. We set the table like you taught us, your memory wrapping around gently.
The laughter that you left behind still dances through these halls, even though you're gone from us. Your love still answers when we call.
Yeah, we talk about you every season, all the good times that we shared. Showed us what Christmas means, love, forgiveness, how to care. You guided us through life, telling we walk good, hold your faith. Yeah. You made us wiser,
You made us brave.
even though we lost you, your lessons never fade. You're still a part of Christmas, every carol that we sing, every memory in the kitchen, every joy the season brings.
And though our hearts still tremble, we know you're smiling where you are,
'Cause Christmas lives inside us,
and your love still lights the dark.
we still leave your space untouched. Nobody sits in your chair. It reminds us of your presence, makes us feel you're always near.
We try to cook like you did, even if we don't get it right. But knowing you're a part of our Christmas gives us strength to face the night.
Sometimes the tears still fall,
But we know you're in a better place.
your spirit bless every Christmas breeze. Your love still warm up this space.
So we carry your love, we carry your name,
and every Christmas memory will never be the same. You're still a part of Christmas,
in every song you used to lead. We sing them now with trembling voices, but your strength is what we need.
though time keeps moving forward, your love holds us strong and true. And every Christmas that we celebrate because of you. Yeah,
Christmas carries your heartbeat still, your spirit warm like a candlelight glow.
you're gone, but always with us, more than you could ever know. finish another year. Give thanks to life for the ones who hold dear. The road rough, but still we they are strong. It's a season for celebrate, sing the Christmas song. Full my belly, enough food, enough meat, gongo rice and stew peas. What a sweet feast as me sip me sorrel with a little ginger spice. Me think about the loved ones we can't sleep nice. Every memory come back with Christmas breeze. You can feel the love from mountains straight down to seas. Tradition there, old and new. Me wish you know the day of it celebrate too. Christmas at Jamaica, no place sweeter. Rum cake talk and pure rum walk. Family gather, vibes get deeper. From Kingston Bay to the grill boardwalk. Togetherness, that's how we sang. I had Christmas where everybody belong. Airport full, custom line wrap round twice. One man feel, but him said Jamaica worth the price. 12 hours from plane, but as him touch down, it's pure excitement. Taxi take me hometown. You can hear the laughter from early morning. Grand market night still day in how we talking. People dress up pepper light on the lane. Children run bout pure joy no pain. Some people take wash out to prepare for the feast. Other loosen belt buckle at least. The table full ham, turkey, roast bread, fruit, big pot of manish with the Super Bowl. Christmas at Jamaica, no place sweeter. Rum cake talk and pure rum walk. Family gather, vibes get deeper. From St. Mary Market to Mobe Boardwalk. Togetherness, that's how we sang. I had Christmas where everybody belong. Under the Aki tree, Grandma tell story. Grandpa hum carol with him all time glory. Candle flicker, church bell ring. Is a holy night vibe, make the angels sing. And though some gone, them spirits still near. In every laugh and hug, them still they right here. Pull on left. Christmas at Jamaica, sweet like honey. Sunshine bright and the breeze so funny. From mountain cool for breeze to seaside splash. Family link up, no business who clash. Togetherness, that we pride at Jamaican Christmas. We love worldwide.